Good afternoon, gentlemen.
Good afternoon. Kayla.
Samuel.
Anthony.
Samuel.
Hi, how's it going, Jason?
Samuel.
How's it going today, Samuel?
It's going very well. Thank you very much, man.
Glad to hear. So, we're just going to jump right into it. So, as the financial analyst, how can you implement business analytics to help us minimize the cost for a construction project that we have?
Well, to be able to minimize the cost, we have to take a look at the total cost of the company. So one of the biggest costs that I see when it comes to construction is the labor cost that we have. Since I am able to produce reports to be able to have a schedule where the workers can have a very efficient work process and environment where they can output the majority of hours, and their motivation will be high to be able to produce as much output for the company and project. As well, I can see the exact areas that need to be looked at for the project and to see where we have a certain gain and loss in these areas and conduct reports on all these things. Now, in my previous job I worked at, there was a gain in metal work that the construction had, and then there was a huge loss on the exterior of the building. And the loss was not seen as a great hit because on the income statement they were able to see a slight gain. But as you look more into the cost of the overall company, we were able to see that in reality there is a huge loss that we must look at. Another possible cost that when it comes to construction is the material cost, and we need to be able to negotiate with our workers and distributors to be able to effectively use that material and negotiate the cost of all this. I want to be able to use the most effective material and be able to produce, to be able to not overspend on material, and to be able to produce the maximum amount of revenue for this company.
Okay, sounds fantastic. Thank you very much, Samuel.
Thank you for your time.